fact there must be of the most direct kind, that is, by eye‐witnesses. In fact, if you do me the honor to entrust your confidence to me, you will do well to leave to me the choice of the measures to be employed. If one wants the result, one must admit the means." "If it is so," Alexey Alexandrovitch began, suddenly turning white, but at that moment the lawyer rose and again went to the door to speak to the intruding clerk. "Tell her we don't haggle over fees," he said, and returned to Alexey Alexandrovitch. On his way back he caught unobserved another moth. "Nice state my rep curtains will be in by the summer," he thought, frowning. "And so you were saying," he said. "I will communicate my decision to you by letter," said Alexey Alexandrovitch, getting up, and he clutched at the table. After standing a moment in silence, he said, "From your words I may consequently conclude that a divorce may be obtained? I would ask you to let me know what are your terms." "It may be obtained if you give me complete liberty of action," said the lawyer, not answering his question. "When can I reckon on receiving information from you?" he asked, moving towards the door, his eyes and his varnished boots shining. "In a week's time. Your answer as to whether you will undertake to conduct the case, and on what terms, you will be so good as to communicate to me." "Very good." The lawyer bowed respectfully, let his client out of the door, and, left alone, he gave himself up to his sense of amusement. He felt so mirthful that, contrary to his rules, he made a reduction in his terms to the haggling lady, and gave up catching moths, finally deciding that next winter he must have the furniture covered with velvet, like Sigonin's. Chapter 6